guys, I have a cast. What is it, like it's made of a cast here. And what happens is it's like an art, sort of like a build it yourself type of kit. I was given this gift for maybe several years ago, and I kept it in a closet, never actually decided to, mess with it and build it. So now I'm making a decision to use it and see how it comes out. And this thing's here. You throw the cast that's already in this bag onto this already shaped plastic with all the locomotives, and got my little kit. Look, you definitely get space trains, dinosaurs, different kinds, spiders. I mean, the camera's a little weird. Sorry for the background noise. There's a AC thing going on and it's too loud, but it's nice and fresh out here, so I think I'm gonna do it out here in the garage. We have the paint for all the locomotives, whatever you want to put together. We have obviously this one, old school locomotives, funny looking ones. The cool one here, I don't know what year is that, but oops, I'm gonna get to it. Start showing you the process. Right, fun times. Okay, so I have my water now. My little plate to try to open this bag, and thing to mix it in. That's my drinking water, and let's get started. Let's try it. Alrighty, this is half a cup. Mix it up. Kind of like fixing my house with this cast. Gives me good old memories. Oh no, was it too watery? Did I just screw up the project? Anyways, we keep on mixing. Mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. Sort of like a pancakes, but I'm assuming it's supposed to be like a pancake, and the measuring supposed to be a half cup. So if anything got screwed up, it ain't my fault. That's all I gotta say. Alright, I think it's probably there. Nice and casty. Just like pancakes in the morning. Perfect. Trying to cast this thing out. Moment of truth. There we go. First one, second locomotive. Trace there, little shape there. Another one. It's going to side. Alright, hold on. Mistake number one. Like always, I do a mistake. There you go. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Dang it. I'm screwing it up so bad. I was definitely be a lot tougher. Yeah. It ain't gonna be a big deal now. There we go. Put a little more of that cast there. Boom, boom, boom. Cast one. Ooh, that does not look good. Oh man. Probably need something heavy. I'll balance the scale right here. Stay right there. Alright. I'm not too satisfied, to be honest. Not too satisfied with this result, but gonna have to let it dry out for a bit and then come back to this video and see how it comes out. But this is too wet. I don't like it. I probably did a mistake. I think I did a major mistake. I screwed it up, guys. Oops. Oopsie. Sorry. Yeah, that's not going nowhere. Alright, come back for it later. Look at that. My shadow here in the way. It's getting there. It's getting nice and cast. It's getting there. A little more sun. A little more sun. If I were to hold something, little edges I could just get rid of. But yeah, so far so good, I guess. Pretty heavy too. And that sun really took care of the business, but some of the pieces here broke. This one here. Or was it this one? Maybe I should just glue it up like this one here, see? I have to probably glue it up really good. Then we can start painting. Yeah, I think I knew that was gonna happen. But so far it looks good. Next round. Alright, brought me a little gadgets, but before that, sneak peek of other stuff that I'm gonna be doing. Maybe make videos out of that, try to paint them, you know, put some love into it. This one's very dusty. I'm gonna have to clean that one up, but in a place where we clean houses, well, a house actually, my girlfriend's grandfather passed away, had a bunch of stuff to build, and I seen like carriers. I think there's a carrier here so I could like build and ship. It's gonna take time, but if I could, I will. Once I get the time to do it, I'll probably make videos out of these too. I like to get a little practice sometimes, so let's get going with the painting.